Welcome to the Plarty! And today we're going to draw Pikachu! Yeah! Pika Pika! Here we go. We first start dreaming, then we go sketching, then we go shaping, work it out, and finishing off. And let's go. Here we go. First, I'm going to make a lot of lines. Really a lot of lines. And don't be afraid to use a lot of lines. It's very important that you use enough lines to create the most beautiful shapes ever seen in the history of mankind. Yes, here we go. The eyes, something like this, the nose, then the body. I think it goes a little bit like this. And we are making art, so don't be afraid to use your own style because that is who you are, because you are you. Yeah. Oh, this is nice. This is going to be nice. I can see it. You can use your imagination. And that's what we do to create a beautiful piece of art drawing. Because if you use the Plarty style, you're going to make art. That's the secret. The secret of the Plarty. Well, I think it's time to start sketching. Because now I'm searching and dreaming, searching, sketching. Here we go. Yeah, I'm searching. I'm searching for something beautiful. I want to have something beautiful in my life, and that is Pikachu. Yeah, okay, I'm crazy, but I like it. So that's why I'm very enthusiastic about this. So now I'm starting to sketch. Now I'm going to look for a nice shape between all the false lines. I think this is the right one because if you're starting to dream, then you figure it out, all the shapes, how big, what the angle is, whatever, everything. You need to dream. All the false lines are very, very, very important. So look at this. This is really Pikachu. So, okay, now I'm starting to shape, and that's what I'm going to do with look this. Yes. And don't be afraid to go wrong because wrong is creative. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You heard it. Oh, let's make the eyes black, maybe a little bigger. Just use your imagination. That's the whole thing. And using your imagination is believing in yourself. If you start to believe in yourself, then your imagination will grow stronger and bigger. And then you will be a great artist. because the biggest thing you can make is making fun. If you can make fun, you can make art. And that's that. Oh, I'm missing the tail. Well, I can start dreaming again. Dreaming a tail. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to dream a tail. I think I will dream it here. Dreaming lines. You see? Maybe a little bit bigger. And don't erase all your dreaming lines and your sketching lines. Be proud of it. Be proud of every line you make. So, now I skip sketching because I choose to start shaping now because I'm the boss of this drawing of my paper. So now let's work it out. Step 4, sorry. Step 3 is shaping. A little bit of this. Oh, wait, let's make this black because it is. And black it is, yes. Maybe a little like this. I, I do this because I think it's cool, so. And it's my drawing, so that's that. I don't have to explain. You can do your own thing, I'm doing my thing. This is only for inspiration, this video, so you can do it yourself on your own way. So, and now a little bit shading because a little bit like this, a little bit here, a little bit there. A little bit blacker, darker. So, how do you like that? I'm really liking this. Maybe a little bit, yeah, a little bit here to make it round, to make it look round. So, and here we have our Pikachu. So, thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.